Hi Sagittarius, this is your next 10 days reading. I am going to take the day of today, that is the 5th of April to the 14th of April. I am going to see the 10-day period through the tarot cards which I have already shuffled, taken out for you. I have taken those cards which have fallen out for you and clarified them so that I can see the energies, the general energies which will be affecting you, impacting you. So before I start the reading, as usual, I am going to read a card from the Doreen Virtue Abundance deck. It is saying, it is safe for you to receive. The more you allow yourself to receive, the more resources you have available to share with others. Open your arms to receive and be a conduit for good coming to you and through you as it blesses the world. So let's see what are your first cards. The first card which I see is heartbreak and the reverse 6 of cups. This means that you have been believing people, you have been naive, you have been thinking that things will fall in place for you. So you were more into the past, you were thinking friends will help you, you thought that people in your life who are around you will help you, but something has caused you this heartbreak. So your belief in people have been shaken. You have got a heartbreak out of the situation which you were in and believing in that situation naively. So you are going through a heartbreak in your general life. I also see that regarding your 10 of Pentacles, regarding your long term growth, long term financial situation, a long term career or job or profession, you are feeling a bit less confident regarding your talents. You are feeling that you are at a juncture where things are not working out for you, and so you are questioning your talents and abilities. So please don't do that. This could be a person in your life who could be your family member, could be a lover, could be a spouse who is being tricky, who is being greedy, who is not giving you the positive vibes. I am seeing that as well. So there is a person around you who is very smart or manipulating you, and you are feeling that your fortune or your abundance is slipping away from your hands. So this situation of negativity will end for you, because I see the Ace of Swords in the next 10 days. So Ace of Swords means as things go by, you will be able to see the truth. You will be able to have that epiphany that things are not the way they were shown to you. You were made to believe something, you were being manipulated in love life or in profession, and you will be able to see the truth in the next coming days. So things will be clear for you. As you see the truth, you will be liberated from that naive feeling, the negativity in your heart, the tricky people around you. You will be able to cut through the haze, cut through the gray in your life. So you will be able to see things clearly. I am also seeing that some of you are resisting change. A change is coming, but you are resisting change because you believed in something so much that it's difficult to take that out of your system. So it could be in love life, could be in your profession. A stagnancy was there, a negativity was there, there was something which was pulling you down, something which was not giving you enough. You worked hard but you never got the money. So that kind of situation for some of you can mean that you were more into a status quoist energy. So you are resisting change, till now. Maybe on this day also you are resisting change. but the change of heart will happen. The change of heart will happen when some reconciliation comes in, when you can experience a reconciliation when this epiphany is happening. So this epiphany will, the truth, when it is revealed, when the truth reveals and illuminates your life, you will be able to stop resisting this change, stop that rebirth and resurrection, and end of a situation. So what you are resisting is end of a love life, you are resisting end of a family life, you are resisting end of a job. So whatever it is, now you are going to have that change of heart, that fresh new beginning is beckoning you. You will see that. So as you go forward, the stagnancy will get over, because you will think of alternative ways to multiply your coins. That is, your professional life will get a propulsion now, because you are going to think differently now. So some of you are going to study, some of you are going to take a new job, some of you are starting a new career which you have never done before, some of you are learning something to advance your professional life. That is what I am seeing. Some of you are also trying to make efforts to change the way people look at you, change the way people behave with you. So you are going to make those changes. I am seeing the Fool and the Chariot, very good cards. This is like believing in yourself and thinking whatever has happened in the past, whatever is happening in the present, and whatever will happen in the future, I don't give a damn. So you won't give a damn. You will go forward. You will be focused. You will be self-disciplined. You will have that target in mind, and you will now ride your chariot. You will go towards your goal. The naivety is still there. You are not prepared for this journey, but you are just taking your reins in your hand, taking the opposite forces together, taking a leap of faith. Yes, some of you are taking a leap of faith. Leap of faith means a new beginning, a change in situation, and a focused goal in mind, and having that faith in the divine that I will succeed. I will be able to go from zero to infinity. That is what the belief is now in your mind. So as you go forward, you are reversing the sadness situation, reversing the heartbreak situation and the sadness situation. You will come out of your sadness. Some of you are still feeling that sadness, still feeling you are feeling cheated by people, you are feeling manipulated by people. So people in your life, you need to see them carefully. So you will come out of this sadness period, and you will be going towards a deeper connection in love life, maybe a new connection. Some of you will be upgrading your love life. Some of you are getting a job offer. So whatever it is going to give you Knight of Pentacles. This is doing your routine work, carrying on with the work which is in front of you, fixing your priorities, being hardworking and sincere, and you will be able to go towards your progress and have a substantial income in near future. The angels are telling you that sun and star is coming together. This means that you will be going towards a shining future. It is coming to you. You will be able to recover from your losses. You will be able to recover from your heartbreak. Things will be mended for you. You will be able to have a simpler and less complicated life. That is what we are suggesting. That's what angels are suggesting and seeing in near future. And a change of heart is definitely coming in, or an apology coming in, or a reconciliation offer is coming in for you. So whatever it is in love life or in your career, whatever, wherever you were feeling cheated, feeling sad, feeling heartbroken, that situation is going to mend itself, and things are going to be taken up by the divine intervention will take place, and things will be mended for you, and you will go towards your path of joy, happiness, progress, sunny situation, illuminated situation, liberated situation. and things will be much more simpler for you. So that's it from my side, my dear Sagittarians. I hope this reading will help you to, pep you up and go for the things you are supposed to go and get. That's it from my side. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have personal problems, you can contact me for an online tarot reading, and I give online tarot readings and I look at you and your card specifically. So if you want that, leave in a comment in the comment box. I will attend to it and tell you how to book my readings. Bye bye.